Putting off important financial decisions can have a major impact not only on your retirement, but also on your overall financial well-being as you move towards retirement. Today we're talking with Andy Mattingly from Forum Credit Union about moves to make before you turn 40. Hopefully, these also apply to those over 40, just in case they haven't done that, Andy.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
First, why is 40 such an important and big number when it comes to making these moves?
Well, for most people, once you turn 40, that's when a lot of your financial burdens really increase and you have a lot more responsibility. So these moves help you get ready for that. Plus, you still have a lot of time for these moves to have the advantages of time to make a difference in your retirement.
And we're saying they're big moves because they have big effects, but a lot of them are just small moves, right?
Yes, yes. So you want to start with getting your credit cleaned up and getting a good score. If you have credit card debt, paying it down, and developing a spending habit. You need to have those by the time you're 40.
So you're talking about building a foundation
Yes.
by 40, and then
Yes.
what are some of the next moves after building that foundation?
Well, after you build that foundation, that's when you want to really focus on your savings. So start with your retirement savings on automatic pilot. Try to get to 10% of your monthly income going to savings. Start building that emergency fund.
And then start looking at bigger things. We talk about home buying, and that's one of the next steps once you get the initial ones taken care of.
So look at that, buying a home, look at investing in more complex financial products, and to do that, have a basic understanding of investing and understand taxes, because those are important things in both of those next two moves.
Okay, most people have the kids before 40. What are
Yes.
some key things to accomplish before you hit that age, especially if you have children to take care of?
Yeah, two big ones. Make sure you have the right amount of disability and life insurance coverage, because that helps protect your family if there's a problem. And the next thing, complete all of your estate planning documents. So like wills and things like that are really important.
Anything else you want to suggest?
Yeah, before you turn 40, find a financial advisor, because a financial advisor that can be with you for that 20 years can make a big difference on your success rate when you get to retirement.
I didn't know you were going to say that, but I was going to wrap all this up by saying, so the first step should be finding somebody to talk to who you trust, right?
Yes, exactly.
Before we let you go, though, for a lot of people, 40 is the new 30.
Yes.
So maybe working on a different type of clock, depending. What do you say to those people that are maybe a little behind?
Well, you still have plenty of time to catch up, but you really need to do it very quickly. So you need to get going right away. So if you're over 40 and you have a lot of credit card debt or your credit score is bad, get that taken care of. And instead of 10% in retirement savings, you probably need to be at 15%.
A lot of this sounds like what a previous generation dad would smack you upside the head and say, time to be a grown-up, right?
Yes, it is kind of time to be a grown-up, and I did say 40, not 30, so I'm giving you more time to not be a grown-up.
All right, Andy Mattingly, where can people find you?
At forumcu.com.
All right, Andy said it was beautiful outside. Lindsay, what say you?